Hello everyone and welcome to this Autodesk 3ds Max tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D football in 6 easy steps. Alright, so here you can see on my screen steps that have been involved into creation of this awesome 3D model. At the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to create an extended primitive which is in the Hedra. Okay, and if I turn on the edge mode, you can see that I start at the first step with the Hedra. Step 2 is tessellation of the Hedra. Step 3 is the smoothness, or in other words, spherify modifier on the Hedra itself. At step 4, what we do is bevel the Hedra itself, so it has that nice ridge and engraving. Right, at step 5, what we do is we mesh smooth the football itself, so it does look really cool and shiny. At step 6, what we do is we create a material and assign it to the football so it looks checkered and finalized. Alright, so I hope you have your Max opened up and you can follow along. I'm using 3ds Max 2017 and you can follow by the version 2009, I assume so. Alright, I have my Max opened up and I'm gonna choose the geometry rollout on the right hand side of my screen. Usually for you it could be standard primitives, so what you need to do is click on the standard primitives checkbox, choose extended primitives, click on the Hedra, press S on your keyboard to activate the snap toggle button, and if you right click on it you can see that I have grid point selected. So I start to click, drag it on, press right click on your mouse to finalize the selection, and from here I'm gonna choose the Dodec ICOs from family rollout, and under family parameters I'm gonna crank it up until I get something like 0.37, so make sure to add the 0.37 into it. From here what I'm gonna do is right click, convert to editable poly. Okay, I'm going to choose the edge mode, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, or you can select the mesh itself by dragging across the geometry. Okay, I'm going to right click on it and press split. Alright, we're looking great now. From the modifier list now, I'm going to choose the tessellation modifier, which is tessellate. I'm going to choose the polygons mode, which is polygon operation, and I'm going to do 2 iterations for it. Alright, looks great. Now I'm going to go back into the modifier list, look for a modifier called spherify. I'm going to make sure it's set to 100%. From here I'm going to go back into the edit poly, select on the element, under the edges. I'm going to select everything by pressing Ctrl A on my keyboard. Then I'm going to go into the bevel settings. If you can find it here, you can do it from here. I don't see it there, so I'm going to check it on the right hand side of the Max interface. Sorry, I'm going to go not into the edge mode but into the polygon mode, as you can see on top here. I'm going to do the same command, Ctrl A, to select everything, right click on my mouse and choose bevel. And again, it's not from here, it's not on that, so I'm going to choose bevel from the rollout. I'm going to press 0.8 at the first setting and minus 0.5 in the second setting. I'm going to press OK. Okay, looking great. From what I can do from here is add a mesh smooth modifier on top of it, just to smooth out everything so it does look more better. Alright, looking great. What we have now is a problem because we have an open space in geometry. So what we can do is change subdivision mode to classic instead of NURBS, and we're gonna have this cool looking ball right now. So I'm gonna click on it again, press right click on my mouse, convert to editable poly again, I'm gonna click on element mode, open up my material settings, click on an empty material, press on diffuse color swatch, turn it into a black one, press Ctrl A on my keyboard. Sorry, I'm gonna make it white instead. So assign everything to the ball, and then I'm gonna select an individual elements on the football so I can assign the black color to it, and make sure you're on element mode when you do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my time to select everything with a small headdress, and it looks that I have selected everything that I need. Alright, so I'm gonna choose another material. This one's gonna be black, and simply assign to the football. And basically this is how you create a football in those 6 easy steps. I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't. Check out another videos. We do a lot of things related to game development. We cover everything around 3D modeling, texturing, lighting, Unreal Engine, 3ds Max. And yeah, check the link below for more information if you want to learn game development and 3D modeling tutorials. And yeah, this wraps up the episode. Thank you guys, and have a nice day. Bye.